A share value equivalent to $5.9815 a coin. The present reach: $5.7707, $6.3241. The earlier day close: $6.3221. The change was 0.3406, 5.39%. Converse rate: United States dollars to Axie. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost forecast for November 2023. In the first place, cost at $5.47. Greatest cost $6.85, least cost $5.17. The normal for the month $5.97. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $6.37, change for November 16.5%. Axie to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at $6.37. Greatest cost $8.80, least cost $6.05. The normal for the month $6.94. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.52, change for December 2.4%. A share cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $6.52. Most extreme cost $8.09, least cost $6.52. The normal for the month $7.17. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $7.56, change for January 16.0%. Axie to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place, cost at $7.56. Greatest cost $7.94, least cost $6.90. The normal for the month $7.46. A share cost figure toward the month's end $7.42, change for February 1.9%. A share cost expectation for WOC 2024. To start with, cost at $7.42. Greatest cost $7.42, least cost $5.79. The normal for the month $6.72. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.23, change for spring 16.0%. Axie to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. At the outset, cost at $6.23. Most extreme cost $6.72, least cost $5.84. The normal for the month $6.27. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $6.28, change for April 0.8%. A share cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $6.28. Most extreme cost $6.28, least cost $5.07. The normal for the month $5.77. A share cost figure toward the month's end $5.45, change for May 13.2%. Axie to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $5.45. Most extreme cost $5.45, least cost $4.40. The normal for the month $5.01. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.73, change for June 13.2%. A share cost expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at $4.73. Greatest cost $4.77, least cost $4.15. The normal for the month $4.53. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.46, change for July 5.7%. Axie to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. At the outset, cost at $4.46. Most extreme cost $4.46, least cost $3.64. The normal for the month $4.12. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.91, change for August 12.3%. A share cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $3.91. Most extreme cost $3.91, least cost $3.18. The normal for the month $3.61. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.42, change for September 12.5%. Axie to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.42. Greatest cost $4.25, least cost $3.42. The normal for the month $3.77. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.97, change for October 16.1%. A share cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at $3.97. Most extreme cost $3.97, least cost $3.18. The normal for the month $3.64. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.42, change for November 13.9%. A share cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at $4.04. Most extreme cost $4.73, least cost $4.04. The normal for the month $4.31. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.42, change for January 9.4%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $4.42. Greatest cost $5.49, least cost $4.42. The normal for the month $4.87. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $5.13, change for February 16.1%. A share cost expectation for WALK 2026. To start with cost at $5.13. Greatest cost $5.13, least cost $4.01. The normal for the month $4.65. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.31, change for spring 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. In the first place cost at $4.31. Greatest cost $4.31, least cost $3.66. The normal for the month $4.06. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.94, change for April 8.6%. A share cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at $3.94. Most extreme cost $4.89, least cost $3.94. The normal for the month $4.34. A share cost figure toward the month's end $4.57, change for May 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. Before all else cost at $4.57. Most extreme cost $4.63, least cost $4.03. A share cost expectation for July 2026. First and foremost cost at $4.33. Greatest cost $4.33, least cost $3.39. The normal for the month $3.92. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.64, change for July 15.9%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for August 20.